Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you try to purchase app or update app on App Store and it's showing the error like this, your account has been disabled, then it means you have entered your password too many times and your password is incorrect. That's why you are facing the error like this. So to fix this guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. So from here guys, you have to tap on your Apple ID panel. Now from here you have to go to sign in and security. From here you have to change your password. So just simply you have to tap on change password, and from here you have to change your Apple ID password, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open settings again, tap on your Apple ID. Now from here you have to scroll it down, tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. From here you have to change your country. So you can see the country option. From here you have to tap on change country and you have to select your country in which you are living, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then tap on channel. From here guys, you have to shut down your device and then you have to turn it on again and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open Safari browser and just simply you have to search for sport.apple.com. Now after that guys, you have to tap on first one. Now from here you have to select your device. Now from here you have to scroll it down. Now as you can see guys, get sport, tap on start now. Wait some seconds. Now from here you have to tap on subscription and purchases. Okay guys. Or you can also tap on password and security. Now after that you have to tap on continue and you have to contact with them and tell them that your account has been disabled and want to get it back, and they will verify that you are the real owner of your account, and after that your account will be back to you. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.